If we're going to look at the crypto markets right now, and if you would have invested exactly a year ago, you would have been in some massive profits. But if we go on the daily chart, you're seeing a lot of red. And yes, this is exactly your opportunity to get in these levels before we're going to see this next major leg up, because this is just a discount on a silver platter. Are you going to take it? Are you going to use it? If you want to buy all of these cryptocurrencies, go down in the video description below and sign up with these links where you receive a major deposit bonus. And welcome back to B4Crypto. Yes, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin, because exactly as I predicted, we're seeing that Bitcoin is moving within this major range. And yes, I predicted this exactly here, where I told you that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to see this major sideways move, because everybody expects a dump or even a major pump. And what is the market going to do? Yes, the exactly opposite. We're going to range sideways, which means absolute bottom. So yes guys, this is your opportunity to get into Bitcoin and all of these altcoins that saw a major push towards the upside, because a lot of great projects like AGIX, Injective, Phantom, TIA, Link, Arweave, IMX, Fetch and Render are at a major discount. So use this opportunity guys, and let's go down on the even lower time frames, because yes, we can see this major Bart Simpson formation. This looks like the head of Bart Simpson, and this is usually a bearish sign, because we got a lot of resistance exactly here and also a triple top. And we can see that Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart broke this major upward sloping trend from this upwards range that we have been forming for Bitcoin, and exactly here we broke this trend line towards the downside, and we saw this major breakout from this W formation exactly here. But at the moment we can see that we are forming this major M formation. But ultimately guys, I told you that we're going to stay within this range. We have formed a lower high exactly here. So yes, we saw this major rejection round about the 71,000 US dollars. But ultimately guys, I do expect that Bitcoin could at least come back all the way to the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. But be prepared guys, this could just be a fake out and a breakout towards the upside, because this is Bitcoin, the best asset in the world, and you need to hold Bitcoin. So ultimately guys, this is going to be my bearish case, that Bitcoin is at least going to come all the way back down to the 200 moving average, where we can also see this previous resistance which turned into support exactly here. So yes, this is going to be my first price target, and my second price target is going to be all the way down here at this upward sloping trend from this major symmetrical triangle that we are forming on the daily chart. Because yes, this is exactly what I told you a few days ago, exactly where the price movement was all the way down here at the golden ratio, at the 61.8, and also in between the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, where everybody turned extremely bearish. And I told you that we're going to see this pump, and most probably going to go sideways until the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be exactly in 18 days. But ultimately we could expect this parabolic run after the Bitcoin halving due to the diminishing supply. But yes, we need to look at the price targets that we could reach if Bitcoin is going to break this range round about the 68,000 US dollars, where we can see on the 4-hour chart exactly here is the 100 moving average. And if we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high all the way to the swing low, then we can exactly see we got this major rejection at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at this major resistance zone. And at the moment we are holding this line at this major support round about the 61.8. So ultimately guys, we could come all the way back down to the 38.2, which is also this previous resistance, which will act as support, lining up with the 200 moving average. But we could also dump all the way back down to the 63,000 US dollars. But we always need to be prepared that this was just a fake out and a breakout towards the upside. So yes guys, this could be a major move for Bitcoin. But ultimately, like I said in my previous video, that I could expect that we're going to see this absolute bottom and a sideways move for Bitcoin, because at the moment on the daily chart we can see that Bitcoin is exactly underneath the 13 moving average exactly here. And if we're going to close underneath the 13 moving average and also underneath the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level from this major last breakout point, where we broke out exactly here round about the 51,000 US dollar level, and we came all the way up to a new all-time high. Because remember, like I told you, Bitcoin moves sideways after we see this major leg towards the upside, sideways move, come all the way back to the golden ratio, and then we're seeing this major breakout. And exactly here we also formed a lower high, and then we got this fake out towards the upside. So ultimately guys, this is going to be our clear indication if we're going to close above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I could expect that we're going to see this major breakout towards the upside, but if we're going to close the daily candle underneath this major important 13 moving average and also 23.6, I could expect that we're at least going to come back all the way to the 38.2 or even to the bottom of this trend line before we're going to see this massive breakout after the Bitcoin halving. So guys, dollar cost average into Bitcoin, and especially if you want to buy all of these coins or trade them with a leverage, go down in the video description below and sign up with my links where you receive a major deposit bonus, because ultimately guys, this is only the beginning of a major bull run, and as you can see, as the total 3 market cap is really in this major resistance zone, if we're going to see this major breakout, we could expect that all of these coins that are now at a major discount are going to see a major pump towards the upside. So dollar cost average into all of these crypto coins, and if you always want to stay up to date, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, and make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.